to make room sizes bigger, to modify plans, to even combine 2, 3, 4 different drawings, or start from scratch. It doesn't matter to us. Hey everybody, okay, so we got a question submitted. Again, thank you for everybody who is taking the time to reach out and submit questions. Make sure you subscribe and keep that coming, please, because we love to hear from all the fans of log and timber frame homes. This question in particular is pretty much step one. Where do I go with to start, and what should I be considering when starting the design phase? So let's hear from Belinda, and then we will get into an answer.
Hi, Rich. It's Belinda calling. I love your floor plans, but I always want to make changes. So my question is, what are the structural considerations when modifying one of your floor plans? Specifically, if I want to make rooms larger, are there restrictions as to length of beams or logs, etc.? And what do I need to be aware of as far as roof design when bigifying my dream log home? Looking forward to your answer. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Belinda. And it is a great question. I am sitting here in our design center, which is housed at our head office here in Boccagen. And this is step one, where we take your ideas and we match them up to a floor plan, and we do all of the blueprinting done here in-house as well. So to answer your question, Belinda, everything from a design and structural standpoint is done right here. And to make room sizes bigger, to modify plans, to even combine 2, 3, 4 different drawings, or start from scratch, it doesn't matter to us. This is a custom home. We are 41 years old this year as a company, and over that 41 years, we've never done the same home twice, and we've never done one as is from our catalogs or online galleries or brochures. So customization is welcome, and it's a collaboration. We're working together, you and I, to go through the design phase and map this drawing out as best we can to keep it from a looks and feel standpoint as well as budget. So changes are welcome. From a structural standpoint and roof design, everything is done to meet the local building code, the Ontario Building Code, and that's all mapped out during the blueprint phase. So you don't have to really concern yourself too much with that. Leave that to our design team here, who are experts in what they do, and we'll make sure that you have the drawings that you need to get your permits as well as get this place built. So I hope that answers your question, Belinda. But again, let us know if you need more feedback. And again, please keep the questions coming and make sure you subscribe.